Assalamualaikum and a very good day. In this session, I will sharing to you another methods on how you want to do course outcome survey. But first, once you log in, please click to your the specific subjects that you wish to do your course outcome survey, and then here are the layout or settings for the course outcome survey. Right, here there's no question yet. I would like to add questions. Please refer to your course outcome survey one if you want to add questions. Go to the edit questions on the next tab of overview. Then for add questions, you can add on multiple choice questions, and it is required questions that the students need to answer. Saying you can copy any questions from your course outcome survey soft copy. Right, you can labeling the questions by referring to which CLO. Adjustment horizontal is the best way for the viewers, for the students to answer the questions. Multiple choice values, you can do like this. These are the formats when you want to do the answers. Depends on what are the answers or the values or your Likert skills. So each subject will have a different Likert scale, either 4, 5, 7 or even 10. Then save questions. If you can see here, if you wish to do like this, alright, this is how the students can overview. You can do a brackets or even slash. It's up to you totally to design your questions and answers. So the next step, saying you got a lot of, if you wish to edit questions, go to the edit buttons and edit questions. Saying here, I forgot to bring either it is referring to CL 1, 2 or 3. For example, this is CL 1. If you wish to change this value or even to add some formatting, you can do like this. So basically, you can do any values if you wish to. But this is how the students can view the answers. By rights, at this moment, you will know all these answers. Here, there's an always reminder here, use one line for each answer. So save changes to questions. Right, as you can see here, these are the layout or what I call that the formatting that the students can view. For example, you have more than one questions. You can edit the button again. Then here, saying that you want to copy the second questions. This is for CLO2, for example. The remaining settings is be like that. And then save as a new question. Here you can see the same things, the same settings already provided on the first questions. But remember, please setting up the first question so that it's much more easier for you to choose or to design for not the next questions. Moving on, saying that you wanted to add more questions, it's just that the questions need to be edited, basically. but the answers or the values still remain. You can copy directly from the course outcome survey that you had early on. So this is for referring to cell 3 and set as a new questions. So now you have 3 questions. Regardless how many questions you have, you just edit and save it as a new questions. If you can see through this plus button, this functions similar to other things, which is you can change the numberings for each questions. Then templates, this one already explained to you on previous videos. So here, submitted answers 1, question 3. So show response. There's no response yet, alright? But in this session, I will explain to you basically on how you want to download all the data that you gather from your students. Here you can see download table as. You need to download as a Microsoft Excel or CSV. Click download and automatically it can download as usual, as normal ways, and then you can view the data. And by rights here, by using this one, you can do analysis by all the answers that you receive from your students. This analysis is basically really helpful for you to analyze for each questions. By rights at this moment, the LMS only able to analyze for each questions. Since that our CLO are different, so you can calculate by doing average, combining all the answers. Hopefully these sessions will be helpful to analyze or to keep in our data. The data can save as Excel format, and it will helpful also if it can be added up to as a graphs or other things. Also, you can monitor the students' answers before and after the classes as well. Right. Hopefully, thank you very much. See you in the next video.